So how do you export the slow motion video from the iPhone? Let me talk about it. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here and first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, the whole point is that the slow motion video is captured at higher FPS. Other than that, it's just a regular video in the normal, file format. There isn't any reason that it would be like troublesome to export it to some different place or to share it somewhere else. The only difference is that, as I said, it has higher FPS. The regular video is probably in like 30 or 24 FPS, and this one is like in 120 or 240 FPS. So when you export it, it's gonna look probably like a normal video with the ability to be slowed down, right? So you can perform some changes to when the slow motion begins, but then it doesn't have to necessarily, be reflected when you share the video somewhere else. So to fix that issue, I would recommend you to get a video editor. For example, CapCut is a solid choice. I keep mentioning this in my tutorials, but yeah, you can get this app and simply just start editing the clip. And the whole point is that you can import the slow motion footage into the timeline as such, right? And you can adjust the speed, perhaps use the curve tool, which lets you choose specific parts of the shot where, the video will be like slowed down. So in that case, you can perform it as such and then export it. And then there's just no way that the video will change in any way, because, you will export it in the regular 30 FPS and you can share it as any other video. It's not going to change the speed or anything else anymore. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. If there is something very specific which I did not answer, then let me know about it below. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it in the future. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.